Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a slow filling toilet. So first of all, you want to unscrew this button from the cistern lid. Then you want to get to the fill valve. So with this nut you want to twist it in an anti-clockwise direction. Once you've undone that, you'll find this black washer. With this black washer they start to weaken and split. As you can see here, this one has split. They're normally on the grooves where they move backwards and forwards all the time, and that's what causes it to push against a pin, letting the water not flow into the toilet properly. So you want to go to the merchants, pick one of them up, push that back into that nut, tighten it back up, turn the water back on, screw this back in the centre and give it a good old flush and test. Thanks.